Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you're missing out on everything you need to build your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. So, I am going to give you some information. I received a couple of questions on the SAMS registry. And you know that I do private and government, but I also have a channel just specifically for government. So if you want to make sure that you do not miss out, then click the link below for the information in this particular video on where my actual YouTube channel is that is designated strictly for government. But I always like to make sure that I put something in both areas so that way you don't miss out on anything, whether it's private or government. So this video is specifically designated to those of you that are interested in growing your business to six figures and beyond through government contracts as well. So I'm going to talk about a question I received and then give you the answer. So I'm going to look at my notes a little bit because it was a little lengthy and I want to make sure I get everything right. So this question was geared towards how do you actually register to be a small disadvantaged business? So that was the question. And the answer is, in order to register as a small disadvantaged business, you need to do this. So the answer is basically self-certifying, which means that you simply check the small disadvantaged box on all the reps and certs, which is in the SAMS registry, and on any bid documents or anywhere else that asks for socioeconomic status. Now, however, to be recognized as a small and disadvantaged business, notice the difference, small and disadvantaged, in the federal system, you must first complete the basic SAM registration by filling in 3 areas of data on SAM for both global and local. That's the key. 3 areas for both global and local. The 3 areas are your NICS code, the total number of employees, and your total source of revenue. So this was about understanding how do you actually self-certify to do both, be small and disadvantaged, which is really important when you're looking at competing in the government space. Now, if you'd like to know more all about how to win big in the government federal space, how to do the contracting, the certifications, the SAMs, all of that, and more, then make sure you click the link to subscribe to or to register for my How to Win Big in Federal Cleaning Government Masterclass. We are having a ball. I mean, really, we're hitting it out of the park. I have gotten so many great responses, so many enthusiastic students that have registered. They're doing really, really amazing things, and I just want to give a shout out to them. But we are taking it serious because it is serious. Getting your business to 6 figures and beyond in the federal government space is not an easy feat, but it definitely is doable if you follow the actual necessary steps, the requirements. I always talk about your EIN number and your DUNS and your SAMS registration. But as you can see with this, there's other things than just actually registering and creating an account in SAMS. You actually have to know what matters and what doesn't. So this was one example of having 3 areas that you connect the dots to do your disadvantaged business. Allows you to be registered as small, actually self-certify as small and disadvantaged. So it's not enough just to have a SAMS profile or to have a SAMS account. It's about actually having the right information. And there's several informations. I think there's like 6 or 7 core informations that you want to make sure you have everything lined up and all your I's dotted and T's crossed. So if you're really interested, then make sure that you registered. Space is limited. We have so much fun. We do a Q&A, answer all the questions. I mean, everything on set-asides and Sam's profile and your other profiles that you need that we get into in the masterclass, and how to build a relationship with the contracting specialists and the contracting officers and so many other key personnel that it's just not enough time for me to cover and do justice in this video. So if you're really interested in how and what the juicy secrets are and all that information, then make sure you click to register for the masterclass, How to Win Big in Government Cleaning Contracts. I'd love to see you there. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.